Oh, give it.
November 29 Delta, make the right turn, cross midfield, and join the left down runway 24.
I'll be right turn and join the left downwind, and we're going to be full stop this time, 29 Delta.
November 692 traffic off your right side, turning to the south for the left downwind. You're number 1, cancel altitude restriction, runway 24,
11 o'clock, low,
okay,
less than 1 mile.
Thank you, 692.
To widen out a little bit here.
That's so weird. Like, kind of works, but not really. Yeah, 11 o'clock, that's 11 o'clock traffic.
Alright, I've never done this before, so...
Me either.
I guess I'm gonna start my turn. Something. Oh, it's such a cool view of the airport, man. I've never flown directly over it. I know you have with the helicopter.
Yeah.
That's awesome. I wish the GoPro was pointed out the window.
November 29 Delta, follow twin Cessna, 2 mile right base, 1,800.
There's the traffic in sight, we'll follow them in 29 Delta.
November 29 Delta, you're number 2, wind 29 are at 12, runway 24, cleared to land.
Cleared to land, runway 24, number 2, 29 Delta.
Cessna 5 Charlie Alpha, left turn at the shore is approved.
Left turn at the turn approved, 5 Charlie Alpha, thank you.
Do I actually see the traffic for a change? Kind of nice.
Okay,
10 o'clock, low, 1 mile.
Affirmative, we'll turn northbound at the shore.
Doesn't show you on the screen though, huh?
Cessna 5 Charlie Alpha, the Cessna Heavy will be a right turn at the shoreline.
When are your buddies coming to town?
Next week.
Wait.
Alright, so we're number 2, that's number 1, I'm turning.
Traffic in sight for 5 Charlie Alpha.
Cessna 5 Charlie Alpha, roger, have a great day.
You too, thank you, 5 Charlie Alpha.
Cessna 15, frequency change approved, see ya.
Frequency change approved, 15, thanks.
Palomar Tower, Skyhawk,
There we go, Rainbow.
Tango
That's a good
Alpha, holding
freaking
short,
set.
runway 24, would like,
Yeah,
north
we got 110 on the
Holy
first side.
shit, dude! Oh my god, that is badass.
Cessna there, 22
Hope
Tango
that
Alpha,
comes
Palomar
out.
Tower, roger, landing traffic.
I'm trying to slow us down. Get like 80 pictures of it.
Might as well make a little video while we wait. How'd it go?
I think they're ignoring me.
She called you back and now they're not saying anything? Maybe they're on strike.
Palomar Tower, Cessna 4629 Delta is holding short at 24 for close traffic. Nice. Yeah, there's your rain right over there.
Oh yeah.
Alright, 1,500. I feel like I'm a little bit close to the runway.
We got a smoking tailwind here. There's our wind shear coming in.
So really, I'm already kind of slipping.
There it is. Put that aileron in. Right rudder.
Right rudder? Right aileron.
Right aileron, left rudder. Correct. Pull it out, fly it to the ground. Don't overcorrect here. Wind dies out, you gotta compensate. Level. Is that aileron in the rudder? There it is. Hold it, hold it, hold it, hold it.
That got
hold
2
it,
touch
hold it.
goes and then
There
departure
we go.
back to Montgomery after this 465 Charlie Alpha.
So the Challenger doesn't have to wait, and taxi +1 to the Alpha, remain with me.
Challenger insight, we'll keep it rolling, 29 Delta. We got the controls, so you can do that after landing. Check
November 2 Tango Alpha,
got the controls.
runway 24, clear for takeoff, wind 26, route 11, gust 16, right turn at the shore is approved.
Clear for takeoff, runway 24, 22 Tango Alpha.